What's going on, citizens? Today at the Can Do Garage, we are going to be working on BMW trunk latch. BMW trunk latch. Inside, there's a annoying binging sound like someone who hasn't changed out their fire alarm battery. You know what I'm saying? So it's going beep, burp, burp inside. You got to fix that. So we're going to change out a couple buttons. The automatic switch here isn't working. The pop-up isn't working. We're going to change this out. So let's stop talking. Let's get to work. Got a couple parts here. Hold tight. It is recording. I didn't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You're recording. Okay. All right, here's the conundrum. We are going to get up in here to pop this out. Up in there. And where am I at? This come out like bam. That comes out like that. See that? Let me use two hands here. Take that off. It's early in the AM, trying to get this done quick. The wife has to go to rehearsal for a play. Try to get this done. And here is the replacement part. I just popped this out. See if I can do it again here on camera. And hard. Boop. Remove that. That I will hold on to this. But we'll plug that back in. Just gonna drop this back inside of there, slap it in, hold tight. That's in. And take that and put it in with a quick little pop that's inside. New part in. Now we will take this off. Okay, with this section here, the trunk latch, they are T30s. Take those out, got the new part here. Let's put it in, see what it does. Figured this would be quick. I can get this done in 30 minutes or so, 15 minutes. Just a quick little parts swap. Let's see how that's all in there. Let's see what's going on here. All right, that just pops off. And press this one in. That in. Watch it. Let's see. Lined up. Hold on. For some reason, I always think I can do this faster with my fingers. Don't want to tighten them all the way up, but it's just like them all snug. Check the alignment. And boom, boom, boom. Look at that. What an easy close. That's not working. Okay, it's not working, so let's all right, citizens, here at part 2 of the BMW trunk latch at the Can-Do garage, we found a problem. It's not working. That's the problem. After replacing the parts, it's still not working. But we dug into it and we found a problem here. Check this out. Right there. See that? That is the problem. and we're gonna fix it. Let's go. This little wire here, barely have any to work with. Let's see that little guy. Yeah, this little guy there. Not much to work with, but like Smokey's mama said, make it enough. Need a larger. All right. All right, what's going on, citizens? Update on the Beamer. All right, there was a lot of Mickey Mouse going on in here. Well, this has been damaged before and repaired. As you see, I was wondering why my connection wasn't working, but I found out I had to go back inside of here, and so I went back inside. I followed the lines all the way up. Followed the lines up, got to pulling around, and found out this was loosey-goosey. I found something that was not connected, and it goes right there, right here. It's not focusing, but yeah, it goes right here. Let me slide. Yeah. Let me put this in. Got that plugged in, and we'll see what happens. Now let's see what happens. Got the keys. All right. Let's see. Still nothing. Oh, there it went. It must have been wedged. So let me put this back together and we'll see how I do. Okay, beamer time. Bada boom. And bada boom. And that's how you get it done. All right, citizens, until the next one. Matter of fact, I'll show you what we're doing next. This is what we got going on next here. We are going to do, the headliner is drooping like a baby diaper. So stand by, this is next. All right, citizens, until the next one, keep it easy. All right, can do.